Why do dental implant prices vary so much from country to country?
There are different implant prices country to country. There is no correlation implant quality and implant prices. The main factor is the producer, but the important thing is there are different surface texture and different geometry. How we choose the proper implant for the patients. Most important thing, type of case and type of bone. For immediate loading, different type of implants. For late loading, different type of implants. Or depends on bone hardness, we choose different implants. Mostly we prefer to offer the proper implant brands to our patients in our clinic.
What factors determine the cost of dental implant treatment in Turkey?
There are many factors affecting dental implant price in Turkey. The main factor is the implant brand and main price of the implant. And then type of teeth on the implant. Single crown, bridge, hybrid dentures, Toronto hybrid system, and others so on. Also type of surgery, immediate loading, bone grafting, and the other surgical factors affect the implant prices. We also provide long-term warranty to our patients for implant and the prosthesis. Additionally, we give full service in our United Kingdom clinics under our name, Dentafly London Clinics.
How do the implant brand and materials used affect the overall cost?
Implant brands affect the treatment cost because different implant brands are different prices. But our main target is long-term and successful treatment. In this situation, we prefer to recommend the proper implant to the patients. Different type of cases, we prefer different implants and there are different treatment prices. Trust your dentist for implant recommendations. Don't follow the Google informations.
Can choosing a cheaper dental implant treatment be risky in the long term?
We are focusing international acceptable brands and long-term service capacity of the implants. Implant treatments, we use separate parts. The first part is the screw, it's called dental implant in the bone. And then other important parts is the abutment and the other prosthetic parts. These are intermediate parts between implants and the teeth. For long-term success, we always prefer company support. What is the meaning of company support? For example, after 5 years, if you have any other issue, if you have any aesthetical concern, or if you want to change your smile, we need additional parts. If the company exists, this is only a 5-minute solution. If company is not exist, there is a big problem for solving the problem. The big companies' prices, of course, a bit expensive than small companies, but important thing, the support for us.
What should patients consider when comparing dental implant prices?
Mostly, patients focus on the prices, but we focus on the proper type of implants. As I mentioned before, different type of cases, different type of implants we prefer to use.